Our solar system is an amazing place. It's a vast and intricate system that has fascinated humans for centuries. It's full of planets, moons, and stars. Each celestial body has its own unique characteristics and mysteries. Our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy, which is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. The solar system is huge, spanning billions of kilometers. It takes light over 5 hours to travel from the sun to the outer edges of the solar system. It is billions of years old, having formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a giant molecular cloud. We live on a planet called Earth, which is the third planet from the sun and the only known place in the universe that harbors life. Earth is one of 8 planets in our solar system. Each planet has its own unique features and characteristics. All the planets orbit around the sun, which is the central star of our solar system. The sun is a star, a giant ball of hot gas that provides the energy necessary for life on Earth. The planets are very different from each other. Some are small and rocky, while others are large and gaseous. Some planets, like Mercury and Mars, are small and rocky with solid surfaces. Other planets like Jupiter and Saturn are big and made of gas. Some of these gas giants have rings and many have multiple moons. Scientists study our solar system to learn more about how it formed and evolved over billions of years. They also want to know if there is life on other planets. The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most exciting fields in astronomy today. The sun is the center of our solar system. It holds the solar system together, keeping everything from the smallest particles to the largest planets in its orbit. Without the sun's gravitational pull, the planets would drift away into space. It is a star, a giant ball of hot gas. The sun is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, which are the building blocks of stars. These gases are in a constant state of nuclear fusion, producing the immense energy that powers the sun. The sun is very important. It is the source of all energy on Earth, driving weather patterns and ocean currents. The sun's energy is also harnessed by plants through photosynthesis, which is the foundation of the food chain. It gives us light and heat. The warmth from the sun makes life possible on Earth, providing the right conditions for water to exist in liquid form. This is essential for all known forms of life. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. The sun's energy supports the growth of plants, which in turn provide food and oxygen for animals and humans. It is the ultimate source of energy for all living things. The sun is very big. It is so large that it contains 99.86% of the total mass of the entire solar system. This immense size gives it the gravitational pull needed to keep the planets in orbit. It is much bigger than Earth. The sun's diameter is about 109 times that of Earth, making it a truly colossal object in our sky. In fact, you could fit over 1 million Earths inside the sun. This gives you an idea of just how massive the sun really is. The sun is also very hot. The core of the sun reaches temperatures of around 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, where nuclear fusion occurs. The surface of the sun is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat is what we feel as warmth on Earth. The sun is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. These elements are the fuel for the nuclear fusion process that powers the sun. The sun produces energy through nuclear fusion. This process occurs in the core, where hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. Nuclear fusion is when 2 atoms join together to make a new atom. This process releases energy in the form of light and heat, which travels through space to reach Earth. This process releases a lot of energy. The energy produced by the sun is what makes life on Earth possible, providing the warmth and light needed for survival. The sun is a very powerful object. Its energy output is so immense that it could power human civilization for millions of years. It has a strong magnetic field. This magnetic field is responsible for solar phenomena such as sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. The sun also emits a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. These particles travel through space and can interact with the Earth's magnetic field. The solar wind can affect satellites and power grids on Earth. It can also create beautiful auroras, or northern and southern lights, in the polar regions. The inner solar system is home to 4 rocky planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets are called rocky because they are made up mostly of rock and metal. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is also the closest planet to the sun. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It is covered in thick clouds that trap heat. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that we know of that has life. It has liquid water on its surface, which is essential for life as we know it. Mars is a cold, dusty planet. It is home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons. Section 4. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. The asteroid belt is a region of space between Mars and Jupiter. It is home to millions of asteroids. Asteroids are rocky bodies that orbit the Sun. Most asteroids are very small. Only a few are larger than 100 miles across. Asteroids are leftovers from the formation of the solar system. They are made up of the same materials that form the planets. Sometimes asteroids collide with each other. These collisions can create smaller pieces of rock called meteoroids. If a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere, it burns up and creates a streak of light in the sky called a meteor. Section 5. Gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter and Saturn are the two largest planets in our solar system. They are called gas giants because they are made up mostly of gas. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so big that you could fit all the other planets inside of it. Jupiter has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. This storm has been raging for hundreds of years. Saturn is famous for its rings. These rings are made up of ice and rock. Saturn's rings are very thin, they're only a few miles thick, but they are very wide, stretching out for thousands of miles. Section 6. Ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus and Neptune are the two outermost planets in our solar system. They are called ice giants because they are made up mostly of ice. Uranus is a very strange planet. It is tilted on its side, which means that it spins on its side like a rolling ball. Uranus has faint rings made up of dust and ice. Neptune is the windiest planet in our solar system. Winds on Neptune can reach speeds of over 1,000 miles per hour. Neptune has a dark spot on its surface. This spot is a giant storm, similar to the Great Red Spot on Jupiter. Section 7. The significance of our planetary system. Our planetary system is an incredible place, a vast expanse of space filled with celestial bodies that have fascinated humanity for centuries. It is full of wonder and beauty, with each planet offering its own unique characteristics and mysteries. It is also a source of great scientific interest, providing endless opportunities for research and discovery. By studying our planetary system, we can learn more about the universe we live in, gaining insights into the fundamental processes that govern celestial mechanics. We can learn about how planets form, how stars evolve, and the intricate dance of gravitational forces that shape our cosmic neighborhood. And perhaps most intriguingly, we can explore the possibility of life beyond Earth, a question that has captivated scientists and dreamers alike. Our planetary system is also a reminder of our place in the universe, a delicate balance that sustains life on our home planet. We are but a small part of a much larger cosmos, a single point in the vast expanse of the Milky Way galaxy. There is still so much that we don't know about the universe, mysteries that await to be uncovered by future generations of explorers and scientists. But by continuing to explore and learn, we can unlock its secrets and better understand our place within it, forging a deeper connection with the cosmos and our own existence.